Hey everybody, Colin Reed here with MarineMax in beautiful Charleston, South Carolina. Today I'd like to show you a new inventory piece that we just got in. It is a Sea Ray 2025 250 SDX. We have it equipped in the quantum blue hull color with a white hull bottom. Have a black rub rail with a stainless steel insert. We do have a beautiful power tower up top in white with some blue and black accents, black canvas. We also have the boat powered by a Mercury 300 Verado. We have that colored in white. Let's hop inside and check out some more features. So now that we're on board the Sea Ray 2025 250 SDX, I'd like to point out a few key features here at the transom. We do have a full walk-through transom. We did equip the boat with this gray flooring throughout. And we do have the sea deck here, nice non-skid surface as we enter into the boat. We do have a nice cover here for our boarding ladder on the back. Be able to cover it up and walk around, use this area still, even though we have a ladder underneath. Large sun pad area in the back here. And then storage underneath. Could be a ski locker. Also have access to our batteries here. We have a freshwater sprayer so we can spray ourselves down before we enter into the boat. Fusion stereo control so we don't have to go to the helm to be able to adjust the radio on this boat. We also have some USB ports for some charging. As we enter in, we do have a nice cooler storage option here. It is drained so you can use that and have some beverages or some sandwiches on ice back here so you don't have to leave this area the whole time you're on the boat while you're relaxing. We do have a nice little transom door here to be able to cut off any pets or young children, cut off the back of the boat. As we enter in, we do have nice U-shaped seating throughout. Would like to point out our nice Fusion stereo throughout the boat, speakers throughout, storage underneath, all seating back here, but specifically large storage underneath this nice lounger here, and then also access to our bilge area. We do have nice spacious seating here, port and starboard. Both seats will transform, allow you to, while you're not captaining the boat, include everyone in a big, nice social zone here. And then if you are ready to get underway here at the helm, we do have the ability to gain more a little bit more height while driving with this flip-up bolster. Do have twin Simrad screens here, digital throttle and shift for that Mercury 300 Verado, wireless phone charger here at the helm. This is always nice. More Fusion speakers system, USB, then also a 12-volt plug here if we want to blow up any floats. Nice toggle switching here to be able to have access to our anchor lights, courtesy lights, horn, and other features on the boat as well. As we move through here, we do have a nice large head area with a freshwater sink as well. On the port side here, we do have our Fusion stereo system, the head unit, storage here. That is drained as well. Also, we have some storage here. It's going to stow our table for the transom there, along with our table for the bow. And as we move, nice spacious seating up here at the bow. I'm 6'4" for reference, so plenty of space up here to be able to fit multiple adults, maybe some kids while you're underway, enjoying a beautiful Charleston day. Non-skid right here to be able to put any phones or anything while you're underway for it not to move around. Cup holders as well. We do have a nice anchor locker. Also up here at the bow, we do have some access to some more USB ports for any charging you may need while you are up at the bow. Thanks for taking a walk through the Sea Ray 2025 250 SDX with me today. If you'd like to learn more about this boat or anything else we have here at MarineMax Charleston, please feel free to give us a call at 843-747-1889. As always, check us out on marinemax.com. Once again, I'm Colin Reed, and thanks for watching.